Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Specifically, we will demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here. But even if you have one that's different year but the same generation, it may be helpful as well. If you open the hood on your Ford F-150, right above the radiator, you're going to find that fuse box. And check it out by taking a picture and zooming in. We can actually clearly show you where things are located, guys. You have multiple relays, fuses, different kinds, and those could be really expensive. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where we get them from at a good price and quick shipping as well. But before we start, let me tell you guys why it's important to test fuses so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. You will, guys, need to check two fuses specifically for that. One of them is known as a relay fuse, and if you come right here, okay, it will be in that row of little fuses, and the first one is known as fuse number 52. That 5M fuse right here is the one that you need to check. That fuse right there, guys, that 5M fuse. Now after that we have one more that we need to check. Some of you may have this one, some of you may not, depending, okay, on how your truck is equipped. So if you come right here, 1, 2, that second fuse, guys, here will be known as fuse number 64, okay. Right here you're going to have a fuse if you have a vacuum pump, guys. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.